Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic Science and Technology and Environment for June month. It will be an important session for you all students, so stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is, you have to name the organization that supports the digital portal announced by the Union Minister of State Dr. Jitendra Singh and Ministry of Earth, who is our Union Minister of Science and Technology, and Ministry of Earth Science in June month. This will strengthen the scientific research and innovation. What is that mission? This is Anusandhan National Research Foundation, right? This is the organization. They will be supporting the digital portal, right? They have announced this digital portal that will promote scientific research and innovation, right students? Next is Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated India's first flag passenger vehicle. This is Wagoner of Maruti Suzuki, capable of running on ethanol petrol blends, that is E20 to E100. Which company manufactured this vehicle? So it is, as I mentioned, it is of Maruti Suzuki Wagoner car. That is a first flex fuel vehicle that has been launched. Next, name the person who in June was announced as a part of the Artemis 3 crew by NASA and will become the first European Space Agency astronaut to participate in the Artemis mission, joining 3 USA astronauts for a low Earth orbit docking mission to test SpaceX Starship and Blue Origin Blue Moon lunar lander. So, name the person who we are talking about here. Right option is Luca Parmitano. Right, he is from Spain. I correct. He is from Italy, right? And right, Spain won the World Cup, FIFA World Cup, students. Right, and this is for the second time they have won it. Correct. If we talk about FIFA World Cup was held where? USA, Canada, and Mexico. Moving on. Next, name the company that successfully completed the first test flight of India's maiden domestically manufactured Airbus C295 military transport aircraft in June 2026. So, name that company. It is Tata Advanced Systems Limited. Next, students, identify the research center where Department of Atomic Energy inaugurated the world's first nuclear process heat-based hydrogen production facility in June month. So, identify that research center. It is Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. Next, students, these were your science and technology questions. Now, let's move to environment. Now students, these are your few environment related questions. First question is, name the lizard species discovered by the Zoological Survey of India in June near Gajner, Bikaner district of Rajasthan, representing the first confirmed record of their genus in India. This is Messalina bishnoi. Next, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, they have officially designated Surhatal, also known as Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary in Balia district of UP as India's 100th Ramsar site. This designation mark it as the Dash Ramsar site of UP. So this is the 13th Ramsar site of UP. But if we talk about India, it is 100th Ramsar site for our country, India. Correct? Take a note. Next, name the newly discovered Lynx spider species reported by the scientists from Zoological Survey of India and the University of Calcutta in June from Malgnot village in Meghalaya. So name that newly discovered Lynx spider species. It is Hamtaliva malvgot. Right, this is the name of this new Lynx spider species. Then next is Bangladesh officially joined India's what? This is International Big Cat Alliance as the 27th member that will enhance joint conservation strategies. Right? Saudi Arabia also became the member of International Big Cat Alliance. right? So right option here is option 4. Next, the Zoological Survey of India of Pune, Maharashtra, in collaboration with the Natural History Museum of London, discovered 2 new moth species. What are the name of these 2 moth species? They are Antaram iduki and Mimosina kali, right? These are the 2 species, right? Take a note. Next students, these were your important current affairs. Now let's move to some revision part. According to NSO, National Statistics Office under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, what was India's real GDP growth for FY26 as per the provisional estimates released in June 2026? It was 7.7%. Next, name the credit rating agency that in June lowered India's GDP growth forecast for FY27 to 6.4% in their global economic outlook. What is the name of that credit rating agency? That is Fitch Ratings. Next is, what is the World Bank's forecast for India's GDP growth for FY27 as per Global Economic Prospectus for June 26? It is expected at 6.6%. Next, mark the correct statement regarding 2026 Global Peace Index released by the Institute for Economies and Peace in June month. So mark the correct statement here. Here option A is right, B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. C is saying that the Sudan has ranked the lowest in the index at 163rd position here. Is it so? No, it is not Sudan. It is Russia that secured the least position here at 163rd. Sudan, on the other hand, was at 162nd position. Right, students? And India, we were at 127th position in this index. Next is, mark the correct statement regarding geo payments entering the global top 20 patent cooperation treaty ranking for 2025 as released by the World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO. So mark the correct option here. All the 3 options that are mentioned here are rightly given. Next is, identify the correct statement regarding the Quackrelli-Simon World University Ranking for 2027 released in June. So identify the correct statement here. Option A is right and option C is right. B is wrongly mentioned. B is saying that the Imperial College of London, UK retained the first place globally with a score of 100. Is it so? Is it that Imperial College secured the first position here? Right? No. Remember, Imperial College was on the 2nd position. And what organized or which university secured the first position? It is MIT of Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. That is Massachusetts Institute of Technology secured the first position here, whereas 2nd position was of Imperial College of London and 3rd position was of Stanford University. Next, which city has topped the Global Startup Ecosystem Report ranking released by the Startup Genome in partnership with the Global Entrepreneurship Network in June 2026? So which city has topped here? It is Silicon Valley of USA that secured the top position. One more thing, students, in this question, remember, if we talk about Indian universities, IIT Delhi, they secured 118th position globally and they were the first in India. That means if we consider ranking for Indian university, they secured the first position, but globally they were at 118th position. IIT Bombay, they were at 134th position. Next is, which country has topped the World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index released in June? So it is, which country they have topped it? It is Sweden that has secured the top position, right? They have topped the World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index. Correct? Take a note. If we talk about country India, we stands at 70th position. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the Food and Agriculture Organization State of World Fisheries and Aquaculture report released in June. If we look at the option, A is right and option C is right, B is wrongly mentioned. It is saying that India secured 3rd position here in this index in inland water catches. No, India stands 1st position in the inland water catches, producing 2.2 million tons from rivers, lakes and fresh waters ahead of the Bangladesh 1.4 million tons. Right? Next. Based on the Quackrelli-Simon World Future Skill Index 27 released in June, identify the correct statement about India's global ranking and performance indicators. So based on this, if we look at the option and we have to find the correct option here. So option B is right and option C is right. A is wrongly mentioned here. A is saying that the UK continued to lead the overall ranking with a score of 99.2 here. Is it so? No. It is not UK that is leading here. It is United States of America. USA is leading here with a score of 99.2, followed by Australia on second, and UK stands on the third position. Next, in June, S&P Global Ratings downgraded India's FY27 GDP growth forecast to how much? It was downgraded to 6.6%. Next, in June, Times Higher Education, they have released the 8th edition of the Sustainability Impact Ranking. Which of the following statements regarding the ranking is correct here? Among the following, if we see for the 8th edition of the Sustainable Impact Ranking here, all the three options are rightly mentioned.